Today I will discuss puzzle which are giving in the IBPS exams regularly. See friends, here what he has given, 8 boxes D to K are placed one above other in the form of a stack. Box H is 2 places below box D and 4 places above box E. Number of boxes below box J is same as the number of boxes above box F. Only one box is placed between box J and box G. Box K is placed at one of the position above box I. No two boxes with consecutive alphabets are adjacent to each other. See friends, total 8 boxes are there. Then I will write here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again I will write one more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See friends, from the first sentence, definitely we will get two assumptions. In every problem, we will get two assumptions. What he has given, box H is 2 places below box D. See friends, box H is 2 places below box D. That means box H is 2 places below box D. That means this one, and 4 places above box E. That means 1, 2, 3, this one. See friend, H is 2 places below box D and 4 places above box E. This means this should be here. See friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See friends, if E is the first letter, then something should be in the 8th. This is the series. Fifth letter should be H, 7th letter should be D. Or if E is in the second place, 8th letter should be D, first letter something. Here 6th letter is H. So these two conditions we will write here. See friends, first D we will write here, then H will come here. 1, 2, 3. E should come here. See friends, that is the condition, first condition. H is 2 places below box D, 1, 2, and 4 places above box E, 1, 2, 3, 4. This condition is okay. Next condition, if E is in the first place, 1, 2, 3, 4, H should be here, D should be here, because H is 2 places below the box D. Next, number of boxes below box J is same as the number of boxes above box F. That means J is above the box F. See friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See friends, what is given? Number of boxes below box J. That means box J is always above the box F. Below box J is same as the number of boxes above box F. See friends, when those boxes, this condition will come true if those two are in these places. See friends, if J and F are here, between how many are there? 6 are there. If suppose J or F here, 4 are there. If J or F is here, 2 are there. This condition should apply. See friends, here already D is there, then this is not correct. Here suppose if J is here, F should be here, already E is there, then this is also not correct. See friends, next third one, here H is there, so this is also not correct. 3 cancelled, then this one is there. If J is there, it should be here, then J here or here. JF should be here or here. See friends, coming to this, here it is E already is there, then this is also wrong. See friends, next here D is there, then second also wrong. See friends, third if you take, nothing is there. Suppose if you fourth here take, already H is there. This is also not correct. Maybe J or F. Here J or F. See friends, in last condition what he has given, no two boxes with the consecutive alphabets are placed adjacent to each other. That we should remember always. Next, only one box is placed between box J and box J. See friends, very important this one. Only one box placed between J and box J. That means maybe like this, maybe like this. See friends, here. If we put J here, see friends, if you put J here, we can put G here. Then J, F, G. See friends, no consecutive alphabet should not come. F, G, here consecutive alphabets. So this is wrong. Here J won't come. Suppose if you think here F, then J should be here. Then G should come here. Already E is there. This is not correct. If you think J is here, G should come here. Already H is there. This is also not correct. Then entire this is not correct because we are unable to place G. See friends, here. If you take J is here, then F should be here. Then what he is telling? Between J and G, one box should be there. See friends, if we put G here, GH will come here. Adjacent alphabets, GH. So here G won't come. Here G will come. See friends, J, G between one box is there. Then F will come here. See friends, J will come here, F will come here. Between J and G, one box is there. So everything is there. Then next what he has given, box K is placed at one of the position above box I. See friends, two boxes only empty. What he has given, box K is placed at one of the position above box I. That means I is here, K is here. See friends, box K is placed at one of the position, any position we don't know, any position. Here which is empty, this one only empty. K is above the box I. Friends, now we will see the problems related to this problem. Which box is exactly placed between D and the box which is immediately above K? See friends, which box is exactly placed between D and the box which is immediately above K? See friends, this means which box between D and immediately above K? See friends, which box is exactly placed between D and the box which is immediately above K? Above K, see friends, this is the D, above K, which is above K, H. Then the which box is between D and H? J. So here J is the answer. How many boxes between J and I? See friends, J, I, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 boxes are there. If K and J interchange the positions, then which box is placed immediately above J? See friends, K and J interchange their position. That means J will come here, K will come here. Then what he has asked, then which box is placed immediately above J? Above J is H, immediately above J, that means H. Here H is the answer. What is the position of H with respect to K? See friends, what is the position of H with respect to K? See friends, what is the position of H with respect to K? That means immediately above the K. That means immediately above. Immediately above. See friends, like this we have to understand the problem. If you practice this one, easily we will get the solution. We will easily get this table and we will get the answers. Easily we will achieve 5 marks in this type of problems. See friends, in the next sessions, I will discuss at least over 50 puzzles in my YouTube I will upload. So in this, if you go through these 50 puzzles, definitely you will get the 5 marks. Easily you will get the 5 marks. See friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.